Look.
All the time.
Yeah. She eating brownies, y'all.
That
son got a fresh cut.
We just got
Come on.
Come brownies.
Come on, let's go. Get on out.
Watch out. We just ate brownies,
All right, can you go ahead?
Daddy, come on.
I'm coming, man. Watch out. Okay, come on. There go Mama. All right, first the red button. See it?
Watch out. Get out there.
This is how my bike look.
That's how mine.
Got a nice bike, man.
Everybody probably.
Here go my wife. She gotta have that, y'all. She's got a rope, something over. She could put it over her damn head. I don't know why. That's just her, y'all.
Daddy, can we go all the way down there?
Yeah, fresh cut.
No, let's go turn that.
Look, they go Sunsun bike. That's how Sunsun bike look.
Daddy.
They got the green on.
Daddy.
They go Mama
Daddy.
bike. Wait, son.
Daddy.
What, man?
Can you turn that way?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, come here. Get the brownie off your mouth, man. You got to throw that away.
I forgot about my bike.
I see it. Go tell your bike. That's how I tell your bike look.
It's all pink. The picture of my bike. Picture! Hey!
I see it.
Come in together. Come on, you want to get on the bike with me?
And then you got me. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
And I got my legacy business going on. Me and my wife and kids got our own business too. Non-profit organization. Man, she changed up quick, y'all. Yeah, man. Yeah, you ready to ride? She have to ride with Daddy, so.
Come on, honey.
Look. All right.
Do we gotta go all the way to the track?
No, man. I mean, don't. We on the road now, y'all. I say we on the ride now. Oh, I'm going with no hands now. I'm holding the yelly. Hey, get out the way, man. Yo, come on, man. I got my balance. Telling the yellow, we got this balance stuff. We got us, man. We got us. I don't know what they talking about. I don't know what they talking about. I don't know what they talking about. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. You see how we got us together? We got us, man. See, only thing we got is no music, man. Taking a little bike ride. It's like we're on the elevator or something, man. Car coming, y'all. Yeah, I mean, they.
Then come back, we load up in the car, and we go walk a mile. That's an exercise.
Man, no, man.
I got on the bikes, you can walk a mile. Now what I would love to do is put the bikes up and walk to the track, but you don't want to do that.
That's too damn far, man,
no,
to walk.
No, it's not.
Hey, that's too far to
It's
walk.
exercise though. Y'all get.
Come here, man.
Y'all get over here by us. We can ride the bike, go up down there to the end, turn around, and go walk the track. Tay, come back here! No, you not.
You. keep up with them together. You can turn around if you want to. It don't matter. We ain't got to go so far. Crossing the railroad track with no hands. See, now when we bike ride out, y'all, we really don't normally probably come this way. We'll probably go somewhere country.
Go where?
Like somewhere up the road, not this way, but we done did it before. It's our second. I say this our second time.
Who's gonna go somewhere beside the back road?
What?
Who's going somewhere beside the back road?
No. Just talking. Okay, how many quarters the rest thing? Huh? Yeah, look at the camera.
We're not
Look,
up there.
look right here, Nayeli. I think she enjoying it, but y'all, she looks stuck. You think we should kiss her?
Say hey to the camera.
Say hey.
Say hey.
All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Slow
down.
Yeah.
You're a great bike.